Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce PeerLab, a AI-powered collaborative platform designed to transform how students study together. So today students study using WhatsApp groups, screenshots or random notes and YouTube links. So there is no real-time interactive space where students can collaborate, ask doubts, teach each other, and learn together effectively. PeerLab solves this gap by creating a social learning ecosystem which is powered by AI. So, PeerLab allows students to create or join subject based learning rooms for subjects like Python, physics, chemistry, accounts, law, history, or can create their own custom subject labs that can be art, science, history, etc. and join. And inside each room, students can use real time collaborative whiteboard, then AI generated battlefield quiz, and practice sessions, and a AI modulator. So let me discuss some of the core features our PeerLab gives. Shared whiteboard. So students can write, draw diagrams, solve problems, code together all in real time. Quiz battles. There can be one-on-one quiz or group quiz battles with leaderboards. 50% of the quiz are generated by AI based on how students perform. Next, we have our AI moderator. The AI watches the discussion, detects the misconceptions, explains the concepts, and generates personalized study plans. There's peer teaching mode. Students can raise hands and take teacher mode and teacher teaches others while AI gives feedback on the clarity. Next, instant practice sheets. AI creates chapter-wise worksheets, auto-grades answers, and provides uh, solution on demand. And we can download it also. Uh, so PeerLab is made using Google Gemini via AI Studio. I use Gemini for quiz generation, doubt solving, study plan creation, and detecting student weakness. For real-time features, we can add Firebase and the front-end uses React or Flutter. This combination gives students a fast, interactive, and intelligent learning experience. PeerLab makes studying social, fun, and personalized. It empowers students to learn together, teach each other, and get AI support whenever they need it. By blending collaboration, gamification, and AI driven learning, PeerLab helps students learn faster and perform better. Thank you, and welcome to the future of collaboration learning with PeerLab.